Cool.
Yanira!
Yanira.
Let her through.
Move to the side, buddy, so she can come out.
Okay, look at me.
Give her a hug.
Yanira.
Hey, Prue. There you go. Cool.
You did it! How many here on this thing?
Right there.
What is this?
Look, smile.
What is this?
It's
Don't
a
worry
trap.
about it.
It's a trap in case you don't have one of those tunnels on this. Don't worry about it. Just leave it alone.
There.
Why leave it alone?
Look, smile.
You okay, baby? Huh? Go in there.
Hey, what do you got? Hey, why did you put it right here? Are you supposed to take it over there where you are?
Well, come on. Let's take it over here then. Yanira, come here.
Just pull it.
Hold on. Let Yanira
Hold
get out
on,
of there
let her
first.
get out.
Come here, Yanira. Ow, 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 this plaything. Ow, ow, move your feet.
Yanira, come here.
Baby, do not push her.
Yeah, I did it myself, not you and Mommy. And
Good job.
Now we can go. Come in. Come in, Yanni, let's go.
She's playing hide and seek with you.
He's playing hide and seek.
Boo! 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 Boo!
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Then she whipped this.
I'll get it. I'll fix it. I'll fix it.
Uh-oh.
Yeah, you're not going to do that. No, 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 no.
Tie it from the top. Marie,
What?
tie it from up there.
What do you mean tie it?
There's a strap on the red. There's a strap on the red wall